So here is the pool. It's really cute up here. There is a man swimming right now. I'm gonna try and not get him, but there he is. It's a vibe. Today's detox is passion fruit and pineapple. Like outside, they have a little waterfall situation, and you can see it just trickling, making its way downtown like fire. Girl, checking in. So we are en route to the airport. When we came in, we were at BKK, whatever that acronym means. This time we're going to the other airport in Bangkok, on our way to Bali. So we're flying with Lion Air, and we have not confirmed this yet, but we have a strong feeling that this is gonna be like the spirit of Thailand. We've already had a situation or two, and we haven't even gotten on the flight yet, so we're gonna see. This flight is like 4.5 hours, and I'm probably just gonna end up passing out. We took that one long nap on Monday, and then we had like a nap yesterday, but we haven't really like slept. So this flight is gonna be a little slumber.